Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about why would you want to start an online business. I'll talk about some of the personal experiences I've had over the last few years starting my online business. So let's go ahead and get started. So why start an online business? What are some of the advantages of starting an online business? Also, what types of businesses can you realistically start from your home? And what does it take to get started? So let's go ahead and take a look at each one of these. The first advantage of having an online business is you're your own boss. You get to determine the hours that you work, the amount of money you want to invest in the opportunity, and the opportunities that you would like to pursue. You get to set the strategy for your own business. In addition, you can get started with a small investment for most opportunities. It turns out you may have a lot of the equipment that you already need for an online business, such as a printer to print shipping labels, or a video camera to shoot videos, or a computer so that you can do all the basic interactions and upload videos or fulfill orders. So in a lot of cases, you may already have the equipment that you need to get started for a lot of online businesses. In addition, you can start part-time from your own home, so you don't have to quit your day job to start an online business. You can start small and then scale up, and then maybe at some time when your business grows to a point that it can support you full-time, you can make that transition if you choose to do so. In addition, you develop a lot of new skills. Over the last few years implementing my online businesses, I've developed a lot of new skills such as editing video. My public speaking has become a lot better. I understand a lot more about internet commerce and internet marketing, and those are very valuable skills. So even if you don't pursue this full time, you'll learn an awful lot, and those skills are directly transferable to a lot of different businesses. For me, it opened up a completely brand new career opportunity for me based on my YouTube channel. Also, you get paid to do what you love. You can influence the business since you're the owner, and you can implement things that you really like to do. So it turns out after I've started my online business, there are things that I've found out that I really love. I love to write books, and I love to do videos online, and I love to do videos on YouTube. So a lot of flexibility of an online business. So let's go ahead and look at what are some of the types of businesses you could start in the comfort of your own home. So what types of businesses can you start? Well, first off, this list is not an exhaustive list. There are lots of different ways to make money online, but the opportunities that I'll show here in this list are ones that I have done personally and have some personal experience with. So the first one is teaching online. I first started my business in this way. I have a computer science background, and I taught some courses on Udemy and Skillshare and posted them online, and that really got me started. Once you have some courses put together, video courses, it's a pretty easy transition to start writing books. And so I started putting books on Amazon Kindle, and Ingram Spark is another company that I'm working with now that's a book distributor. So if you want to get some books in bookstores, that's another route that you can go. After you've produced those things, there's also audiobooks, Amazon ACX, and I'm in the process now of actually producing my first audiobook. Online stores are another way to make money online. I've started a Shopify store and also an eBay store with my son, as well as selling on Amazon. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. There's a lot of opportunity to put inventory in Amazon's warehouses and let Amazon do all the fulfillment. And it's a terrific opportunity if you can find the right types of inventory. Online videos are another way to make money. Obviously, YouTube is one of the biggest in the world, but also Amazon Prime Video. If you want to write your own feature film and put it out on Amazon, you can have people consume that through Amazon Prime, and it's a great way to get really film-related products out in front of a giant audience through Amazon Prime. Affiliate marketing is another way. Amazon has a fantastic affiliate program, and this is great to work with, maybe even along with YouTube and some other opportunities, or if you have a website. There's a great number of other companies as well besides Amazon that have affiliate companies, and some of the percentages that you can get are very high depending on the product. And the last opportunity I'll mention is flipping sneakers. Unbelievable. There's a giant market for aftermarket for sneakers, and StockX.com is really a stock market for high-end sneakers, and my son and I have implemented that as well. So lots of different opportunities, lots of different ways to get started. So let's go ahead and talk about then, well, how do you get started? So with many things, getting started perhaps is the most difficult part. If you decide, for example, that you want to write a book, cracking open that word processor or that notebook and actually writing your first words may be the most difficult steps. But let's go ahead and look at a process here that you can go through to maybe make this a little bit easier. First is to go ahead and pick out an opportunity. The list I had on the previous slide has a number of opportunities, but you can also look at other sources. YouTube is a terrific place to look at online opportunities and figure out some things that you're interested in that you might want to try from your home. The next two steps you should probably look at in tandem is establishing a budget in terms of time and money that you're willing to invest in your online business. And then number two is to get some training. So once you have a little bit of money set aside, say maybe $100 or $500 or whatever your budget is, then you can use some of that budget to get some training. And Udemy is a great place for that. Also, books online on Amazon. There's a lot of different training avenues that are available and a lot more affordable today since a lot of them are online. But go ahead and get some training so you can understand the basics of those opportunities. And then step 4 is to really set up some experiments. So if it's eBay, for example, and you want to set up an eBay store, you can go ahead and sell some items from around your house and get used to shipping, and then see if you really like that opportunity. If you set up an eBay store, you're going to have to go to the post office a lot, trust me, and ship items. And so that may not be for you. That may not be the thing that you like to do, but you'll only know that if you try some of these things. So once you get a couple of these opportunities, you can try them and evaluate your results and see if it's something that you really want to do long term. For me, when I started, I was only going to teach online classes, but then I decided to diversify. And for me, I'd rather have a number of opportunities that are making more modest sales, and so that my income and risk is spread across a number of opportunities. So if one of my online businesses doesn't have a very good month, perhaps the other ones are having a very good month, and it levels out to be a more steady business. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. So now that you can go ahead and get started with your business, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you for your interest in this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, and there should be a link right there in the bottom that you can click to subscribe. Also, if you'd like to see more details about one of the opportunities I talk about, teaching online, you can check out my book on Amazon, How to Make Money Teaching Online. I've included the link, or you can have the video version of this class on Udemy. The link is also included. Both of these links are in the description. So thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.